morning. It is Thursday, October 27th, and we had quite a bit of action overnight. The market is way up. News sources say that the EU debt crisis plans and the third quarter US GDP figures being up are the reasons. Of course, we take all news in stride. We also had good news this morning, and at 9 a.m. we have pending home sales, so we'll watch for that. Okay, we're going to look for a setup and take a pause. Okay, we have a nice rollover on 987. And we're coming down to a 76 fib on this small range. Got good separation on the small charts. Could have a reversal here. So far everything still looks up on the big charts. $610 looks like he's on the rail, so we'll need a move by him. Looks like a little retracement on the way down, or a pullback rather. Isn't it amazing how we're bouncing off an old trend line from yesterday? Here and here. That's incredible, isn't it? Okay, we got a bit of a double bottom here. Still looking down on the charts. Momentum is to the upside. Volumes are pretty heavy. Getting some separation now on 610. Coming to resistance on 987, lower band. Like a triple bottom going there. 2-bar reversal. Still not convinced. $987 upper Bollinger says, hey, we're going kind of sideways. Could have a mid-band push here. Look at the huge separation on the 4181. But that doesn't mean we're going to reverse. Kind of a bounce here on 377 indicates more down to me. Almost had a 2-bar reversal there. And some more strong down. We'll take a pause to look for a setup. I set up a few 276 areas based on these pivots over here. was difficult to set up a fib on the big charts with the tremendous move up overnight. Got an extension. We're just over a major fib. That's the 38, so could have a reversal here. Okay, now we've reached the first 76. Still looking very strong down on the charts, with the exception of the two biggies. No bar set up there. We're piercing that 76, coming down to 76 for this larger fib area. Here we just about have a head and shoulders. Not quite. Volumes are still down. I think the pressure is still for an up move. Could be getting it right here. We'll take a break. Pause rather. Okay, I set up a couple more 76, actually 23 areas here, based on these recent pivots. Here again, we're seeing this pattern where we come down almost to an area and do a reverse. We'll wait for a setup. Take a pause. Okay, we took a short here on a pullback. Still it's very strong down on 987. Getting a lot of up pressure now. Still strong on the rail on 987. Okay, now we're getting some down action. I'm not liking all this. I think I'm going to bail if I get a few ticks. My instincts are telling me to get out. Still have strong down on 987 with a little separation. Had a nice 2-bar reversal there. Kind of a double bottom here. We'll see if we can pierce that. Okay, we're below that with another double bottom. Okay, I closed. I didn't like the 3-bar slide that was setting up there. It's too much chop for to have much confidence on further down, and I took a small profit. One of the professional football announcers last week said that you're never going to go broke taking a small profit. I'm going to pause. Okay, we're still showing strong down. I put in some trend lines to help identify another entry point. I'm not sure what's responsible for this strong down move, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, here was a possible head and shoulders, a real nice one. Got a pinch going on with 610. Separation on 987 on the line, 1597. So this is a possible move up. Although 4181 has come under the Bollinger Band, could roll down. Here's a two-bar reversal setting up. Looks like. I'm going to try that out. Okay, we're not going in the right direction on that. And I got stopped out. Okay, we got a potential mid-band push here. I see now that we did come to the 23 on the 1597 chart. Another 2-bar setting up with some mid-band push indications. resistance on that 377. Okay, now we have a triple top forming. Okay, we're going to try this short. Kind of stalled out here. Say we expect to get to 746 at least. I don't like this. Looks like a bounce here on 233. We are coming to resistance on 377, still down on the rest of the charts. There we go, getting a little positive action. To this trend line, which could be support. Alright, we've broken below that previous bar. Okay, good. We're going to protect ourselves now. Okay, we're making a little hay. Okay. Got a lot of zigzagging going on. There we go. Protect, lock in some more profit. Okay, good. Lock in a little more. Could be forming a foot on 233. Lots of separation underneath here. Alright, got taken out by the stop, but we had a profit of 1 point. So creeping my way up on the profitability scale. We're going to take a break, take a pause. Okay, we had a really nice mid-band push opportunity here. It's actually still there, isn't it? We're up 6 ticks so far. Looks like a sideways indication on 233. Still separated underneath on 987. Excuse me, 610, 987. But now we're on the band down with 1597. Looks like a rollover on 4181. So looking for more down. Looking for another entry point. Okay, we have a mid-band push opportunity here. If we get a bar set up, Lots of divergence. Still upward pressure on pricing. Volumes are decent, a little bit higher than normal. Want to see those BBs go down though before we commit. Looks like 610 wants to come up. He's almost knocking on the door there. Lots of separation. But look at 1597. He's on the rail. Alright, we got potential mid-band push opportunity here. But we want to see BB's commit. Okay, we got an order in for short. Gonna pop back up on me, but according to the mid-band, we should be going down. We've taken the leap of faith. Kind of a head and shoulders there forming upside down. Alright, here we go. We're back to scratch. Now let's see if we can make some hay. Okay, we're in positive territory. Got a strong V forming on 233 maybe. Okay, we got a quadruple bottom that we'd like to pierce. $41.81's coming around and down real nice, so should expect some long-term down. The V on the 233 is a little bit weak. Pierce that, baby. Pierce it. That 1597 is still looking down. Now we've got a quintuple. Alright, we finally pierced it. Got some negative on the volume. Volumes are down a bit. That's not too comforting. Taken out here if we don't make a little down action. We got taken out. Okay, so lost my profit for today. I had a suspicion on the stall there that it wasn't time to stay in anymore, but let myself get stopped out. Alright, we're in definitely looks like a sideways chop mode right now. Let's mark this box. upside. Got a chance for a mid-band push. 610 looks like he's going for the gold here on an up. Reached a double top here. There's a dual bar reversal. Got lots of separation on 233. Could come back down. Okay, I think we've got a reverse mid-band push. I'm going to get into. Alright, we've got a long here. Nice bounce on the 144. Coming up to resistance on 610. I think we've got more up. Nice bounce on 233. Let's break through this. Okay, we didn't. Well, we did for a moment. Should have more up here. Let's break through that double top. Should be able to get to this double top. $9.87 is closing in, my color around. $15.97 is moving onto the line. Got a triple top now, that's not too comforting. Still showing strong up. Now we got a quadruple top. Okay, we broke through it, so that should give us some energy up. Here we go. Let's go ahead and protect ourselves here. A little more up. Let's get to that top Keltner. How about that? Still showing up pressure. 987 starting to come in from below. Alright, there we go. Broke through, coming to the top Keltner. Alright, a little higher yet. Coming around from underneath on 987. Starting to get separation on 233 and 144, so we got a real pinch going on with 610. So I don't want to lose too much on this. I'm in basically recovery mode. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to protect some profits now. And hopefully hit our target. Maybe I should move that target up. Alright, got taken out, but had a decent run, about 15 ticks. So let me pause. Okay, I'm through for the day with 14 ticks profit. I realized that I was scalping a bit, but kind of relying on my instincts as well as the indicators on when to bail out. When I see things stalling, kind of get that feeling. This one has gone up another over a point, so that would have been nice to catch, but I need to play the game as I understand it and as I feel it, and I'm looking for staying in trades longer as a long-term goal. But I'll take my 14 ticks today and be happy. See you tomorrow.